Hey everyone, it's Mike Bunn with Hard Money Mike. Today we're going to go over how you win and don't get burned when you're looking for a hard money loan for real estate investing. The great thing about real estate investing is it's still creating millionaires, it's still creating generational wealth, and it does not matter where you come from. If you have a degree on your wall, anybody can make money in real estate investing as long as they understand how to do it right and who to work with. So today we're going to go over hard money loans. Exactly how do you shop around, how do you look for different lenders and make sure you get a good deal and not ripped off. If you're in real estate, you understand that leverage is king. If you don't have leverage, if you're not using other people's money to create this portfolio, this generational wealth, you're not going to be able to get it done just with cash. Hard money is part of that. Leverage, from banks to hard money to private lending, whatever it is, hard money is a very important piece of this. But we want to make sure that when you're shopping around, when you're looking around, you get a good deal and you get into a deal that's going to benefit your real estate career and help you grow. So to help you be successful, help you create less friction out there when you're looking for hard money loans, here are 5 things that we recommend that you look for when you're out there shopping for hard money lending. Number 1, I just went over it, is shopping. Make sure you shop around. Make sure you're talking to different lenders. Each lender, especially in hard money, they're typically smaller lenders, have different products that they like and don't like. So you'll have different deals, you'll have different transactions, you'll be at a different point in your real estate career. If you're starting out or you're a seasoned vet, you need to shop around. Now, if you're out there shopping around, we have a great tool for you too. It's called a loan cost optimizer. You could throw it in and you can see like, hey, some people are charging more points, some higher interest rates, some junk fees. You put it all in there and what it does is it spits out the numbers, the exact amount you'd be paying from each lender on that particular deal. So go, it's a free download at hardmoneymike.com. When you're shopping around there, or even before you shop around, ask for referrals. Don't just go to those websites that are paid or paid by lenders to put their advertising up there or talk about them. And make sure that you check with them. Did they charge what they said they were going to charge? Did they get a quote and did it change? Did they close on time? Did they say they're going to close? Did they have a contract and they actually performed? Because it's not only about the costs, which are important, but it's also about making sure you get the properties closed when you say you can close them. And are you able to actually speak with someone, negotiate? Make sure when you're asking for referrals that you ask them, did they get the same amount or the same interest rate, the quote, the terms that they were offered? Did they close on time so you keep a good relationship with whoever you're buying those properties from? Or were you able to talk to someone and walk through the whole process so you felt comfortable as you went from step to step? The third one, same kind of thing. Let's even back that up a little bit more. What are the Google reviews or other reviews? What are they saying? What are the people actually out there putting on the web that says they're good, they're bad, or whatever? Make sure the company has some kind of credibility out there. You want to do all your fact checking to make sure you're getting the best rate and you're closing when you should be. Now, since we're trying to make sure you get the best deal, the best rate, the best terms, just a good experience, have them put everything in writing. You hate to assume something or you think they said something or they did say something and it doesn't come through. The easiest and best way to do that is make sure they give you a term sheet or a email that at least outlines everything that they said. Get it in writing, everything you've talked about, so you know and you can compare them apples to apples. Don't go with like, hey, it might be this, it could be that. Get specific terms. Number 5, just to put all these things together when you're talking and you're looking at them, make sure that they'll give you a settlement statement or provide the settlement statement a day or 2 before closing so you don't have any surprises. And then also maybe if you want to look at the documents that you're going to sign so you know what you're getting into before, what are the default premiums they're going to charge, default rates, what happens if it balloons and matures, whatever it is. As long as you know the facts, you're going to be fine. You're out there looking for the best relationship, and there's going to be a hard money lender or a bank that's perfect for each situation. Hard money lending, of course, is best when you need to close something quick, or maybe you're newer to real estate investing, or you're just looking for higher loan to values. Hard money is flexible. It could do first, it could do seconds, it could do thirds. Hard money is typically smaller lenders with their own money, so they can have some flexibility. Just make sure you're getting into what you think you're getting into before you close. Once again, shop around, ask for referrals, but then also check those against Google. Get everything in writing, and then get all the paperwork prior to closing. So then you can put it all together. You could feel good when you're going in, signing the documents, and buying that next property. Leverage is king. Real estate is about to take off and boom again. So be ready, be prepared. Go out there and spend some time. This is your profession. This is where you're going to make some money. Spend some time in your profession, making sure you're working with good partners, lenders, wholesalers, real estate agents, everyone. If you want a real quote, if you want everything in writing, reach out to us at mike@hardmoneymike.com. And as I mentioned before, that free download, that loan cost optimizer, is where you could check out 3 different lenders or multiple lenders and see exactly who has the best deal for this project. Remember, you're going to run across people who have higher rates, lower fees, higher fees, junk fees. They might throw an escrow, all these things. You want to know exactly what the bottom line is. This is a business and it comes to bottom line. Can you make money on this property with this leverage? If you can, great. If you can't, look for someone else. And it's on to the next deal, and we're on to the next video.